How to upload CapCut videos to TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. Make sure this setting is turned on. On the bottom, scroll to the left and click on ratio. And make sure your video is TikTok ratio, which is 9:16. After you're done, press on arrow at the top right corner of your screen and save the video. After your video is saved, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You can share directly from here by clicking on share to TikTok, or simply open TikTok, then press on plus button at the bottom. Then you will find gallery option at the bottom right. Click on it. Then select the video that you saved earlier from CapCut and press on next. After that, press on next again. Add caption if you want to add, then press on post at the bottom right corner of your screen and you're good to go. This is how to upload CapCut videos to TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.